Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the source file meets Facebook's HD needs. MP4 or MAV H, 264 video, AAC audio, high bitrate. That ensures quality retention. Once done, open Facebook, go to Settings, and make sure HD uploads are enabled for both video and photo. On mobile, check upload quality under Media and Contacts. Start the upload immediately using a robust Wi-Fi link. Pause other transfers and turn off battery savers so the app won't compress or stall the process. Next, you refine settings that control final playback. Choose HD or original quality if Facebook shows both, and pick 720p or 1080p for desired resolution. Then add a clear title, description, tags, and upload a custom thumbnail to preserve visual branding. These fields influence distribution and playback. Make deliberate privacy and cross-post choices, select an album if needed, and decide whether to schedule or publish now. Doing this before the final save prevents automatic re-encoding you finish by confirming upload completion and watching the processing stage. Facebook sometimes shows the video before HD processing completes, so wait for the HD label. If you notice quality loss, reupload using a balanced approach. Keep resolution at 720p or 1080p and adjust bitrate rather than overcompressing, or use Creator Studio for more control. Should problems persist, clear cache. Try a desktop browser without extensions, or transcode the file to Facebook's recommended specs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.